हेलो एवरीवन। उम्मीद है आप लोग ठीक होंगे। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे KOC जॉब इंटरव्यू के टॉप 10 क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स के बारे में। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज़ द प्राइमरी पर्पस ऑफ क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इज़ इन अ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और प्रोडक्शन एनवायरनमेंट। जवाब है, द प्राइमरी पर्पस ऑफ क्वालिटी कंट्रोल is to ensure that the products being manufactured meet the company's quality standards and satisfy customer requirements. It involves monitoring and testing products at various stages to detect and correct defects before the product reaches the customer. Question number 2, how would you differentiate between quality control and quality assurance in terms of their roles and responsibilities? जवाब है, quality assurance focuses on designing and improving the processes used in production to prevent defects from occurring. On the other hand, quality control involves inspecting and testing the final products to identify any defects or non-conformities before delivery. Question number 3, when a defect or problem is discovered in the production process, how do you approach identifying the root cause and resolving it? जवाब है, first I document the defect in detail, then analyze the production process to understand where the problem might have occurred. I use problem solving techniques like the 5 whys method or cause and effect diagrams to trace the root cause. After identifying it, I work with the team to implement corrective actions. Question number 4, what kind of measuring instruments and inspection tools have you worked with in your previous quality control roles? जवाब है, I have experience using various measuring instruments such as vernier calipers, micrometers, dial gauges, pressure gauges, and inspection checklist. I am also familiar with testing equipment relevant to the specific industry I work in. Question number 5, could you explain how you ensure that the quality control processes in your work comply with ISO standards or other regulatory requirements? जवाब है, I ensure compliance by maintaining detailed and accurate documentation, conducting regular internal audits, and following established standard operating procedures. I also participate in employee training to keep everyone aware of quality standards required by ISO or other regulations. Question number 6, what steps do you take when you find products that do not meet quality standards or specifications? जवाब है, when I find non-conforming products, I immediately isolate them to prevent them from reaching customer. I prepare a non-conformance report detailing the issue and communicate with the relevant departments or suppliers to initiate corrective and preventive measures. Question number 7, can you describe what an inspection test plan is and why it is important in a quality control process? जवाब है, an inspection test plan is a document that outlines the specific inspections and tests to be carried out at various stages of the production process. It ensures that the quality is verified consistently throughout the project, helping to identify issues early and maintain standards. Question number 8, tell me about a situation where you successfully improved a quality control process. What steps did you take and what was the outcome? जवाब है, in my previous role, I noticed a high defect rate in a particular product line. I reviewed and updated the process documentation, provided additional training to the production team, and introduced more frequent inspections. As a result, the defect rate decreased significantly, improving overall product quality and reducing waste. Question number 9, during busy periods with multiple inspections and deadlines, how do you prioritize your tasks to ensure quality is maintained? जवाब है I prioritize tasks based on the criticality of the product or process, focusing first on items that have the highest impact on safety or customer satisfaction. I also plan my schedule carefully, breaking down inspections into manageable parts and communicate with my team to coordinate efforts effectively. Question number 10. Why do you believe you are the right candidate for the quality control officer position in our company? जवाब है I have a thorough understanding of quality control tools and processes, and I pay strong attention to detail. Additionally, I am experienced in working within Gulf region standards and cultures, which helps me adapt quickly and work effectively with diverse teams to maintain high quality standards. तो ये थी हमारी वीडियो। उम्मीद है आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें बताइए कि आपको अगली वीडियो कौन से टॉपिक पर चाहिए।